Nature has a strange way of offering up its bountiful resources to solve our problems, big and small. The answers are here if you know where to look. The world is the world's most meticulously designed product. Nature has laid out all the dots. All we have to do is connect them. What started as a routine hike in the woods is now a global company that provides over 10 billion connections every year. Velcro brand solutions are the hidden hero in products that define our lives every single day. Simple, elegant, reliable. It's the smart way to connect this to that, whatever this is or that is. But our connection goes way beyond a physical product. Open dialogue with employees, customers, and business partners lets us anticipate needs, develop solutions, and solve problems that often don't even exist yet. We changed the 20th century, and our pioneering spirit and focus on innovation are already changing the 21st. Velcro Industries creates technologies that you can touch, and they touch us all. The world is now filled with imitators, and we are truly flattered. But like everything in life, nothing will ever be as good as the original.